Watch out. Those dings, those dents. How can you keep your car looking great without spending tons of cash? It's easy with Popsodent from Motor Up. The fast, easy, low-cost way to keep your car looking better for longer. Popsodent makes embarrassing dents and dings disappear in seconds. It's the same dent removal system used by body shops, except they charge big bucks. Dents caused by hail, pop it. Dings from car doors, pop it. Damage from shopping carts, pop it. Big dents, small dents. Save money and fix them all fast with Popsodent. Just press the special adhesive pulling disc onto the dent. Lower the repair bridge onto the disc. Turn the knob. Popsodent.
I dented my husband's car, but he never knew because I fixed it myself with Popsodent.
I can't afford a new car right now, so I want this one to look good for a few more years. I used Popsodent, and now it looks great.
It'll more than pay for itself the very first time you use it. Right now, you'll get the complete Popsodent system with a repair bridge, 3 sizes of pulling discs, a professional adhesive gun with enough adhesive to repair dozens of dents.